What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyas. In this video, as you might have read from the title, we are going to talk about the Shreds scam. Yes, I will talk about the Shreds scam, but in this video I want to share a message with you all guys about the supplement industry as a whole and what they really want to do or what they really want to get out of you guys. Okay, so Shreds, a very popular supplement company, not in India but abroad. It is a very popular supplement company with some very popular athletes endorsing those supplements, right? So one athlete is Lazar Angelou, another female athlete is Paige Hathaway. But the problem started when a girl, her name is Kelly Willett, she made a video that saying that a person called Devin Physique, okay, Devin Physique is also a very popular fellow on Instagram, and as you can see from his Instagram, he's very popular. But the reason that everybody got pissed off was Adobe Photoshop. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I said the video is presented by Adobe Photoshop. The reason is this fellow is sponsored by Shreds, of course, but other than that, he is very popular for photoshopping his pictures, and that is not a good thing. Photoshopping as in adding or making your muscles look larger than what they actually are. I do edit my photos, but I don't add extra muscles into my body because I know if I do that, one day when I go out in public, people will catch me, right? So what I do is I increase the contrast, saturation, and add some details. But no, I will never increase my size of the muscle. I will work hard to increase the size of my muscle. So what this person did is, he had an assistant called Kelly Willett, okay? She made a 22-minute video. I'll be displaying the link down below. They did online coaching, okay? They do online coaching, and what this person used to do is, this fellow has a lot of following. I think he had 2 million followers, I think. But whoever the clients came to him, he used to pass it on to her. So if he made 1 million, he used to give 20% out of that to her, his assistant Kelly Willett, okay? And she used to take care of all the clients. She used to make meal plans, she used to do the check-ins for the clients, and that is how it worked. And this fellow used to just enjoy. This fellow made all the money. He has great sports cars, he has like crazy bikes, and his life was all fun. But one day, once he started editing his photos using Adobe Photoshop, that is when people started getting, he was caught, right? He was caught, and he didn't pay her 20% as well. So that is when all these problems, and she made a video. Look, one more thing, she knew that he was doing mistakes, right? And she never came out in public. She came out in public only when he didn't pay her dues, right? So that is why that is when all this controversy started. Now Arvind Lal, he is the owner or CEO of Shreds, okay? From the name, I feel Arvind Lal, he is of an Indian origin, okay? So you guys might have heard about the Commonwealth Games scam, but man, this one has taken away the supplement industry by storm, and I am happy that this happened, okay? I am really happy that this happened, not because they got caught, no. I am really happy because you customers, especially for Indians, I think that I'm the only one from India making this video. The reason I'm making is Indian customers, Indian people who buy supplements are delusional, okay? These supplement companies market it in such a way. There is a brand in India, I won't be taking name, but you guys might already know which brand is that. But the marketing is in such a way that people get fooled into buying these supplements, okay? And if people like me tell those people that supplements are not necessary, the only thing they give is, you use supplements and you got the body using these supplements, okay? That is not how it works, guys. We are trying to help you. My goal with this channel is to help you, not to scam you. That is my goal. I want to hit 1 lakh subscribers or 100,000 subscribers without making supplement reviews, okay? That is my goal with this channel. I don't know when that will happen, but my goal is to concentrate more on nutrition and training rather than supplement reviews. So Shreds, okay, I'll show you their athletes. Lazar Angelou, a very famous athlete. He recently got injured few months back, and Lazar Angelou has around 3.5 million followers on Instagram, and I think he's the most popular in India, okay? He was injured and he puts a picture with the fat burner from Shreds. Why does he need a fat burner when he's injured? Maybe he wants to burn, not gain fat when he's on his bed rest, right? But the problem that I see is you guys really think these people got their bodies using all this shred supplement? Shred supplement came just few years back. Lazar Angelo started training 12 years back. Ulysses Baby Please started training long back. Okay, even this some Swole, what is his name? Joey Swole. Okay, he is in lot of controversy. Like, he sends his very bad pictures to random girls on Instagram. That is what I've heard. And of course, these athletes are very popular, and them using a supplement is enough for people to get fooled. Okay, trust me guys, they don't have one person who you can look at and tell, okay, I can naturally achieve this physique. Okay, even if you take steroids, you need not use those shred supplement to get that physique. Okay, so the whole point in me making this video is, Janta, like, people don't get fooled. Supplements are not everything. These people are on high dosage of anabolic steroids. Lazar Angelo is not training. He's not been training from few months, I guess, and his body is still like that, right? And that too when he's on steroids. So how does he retain all that muscle? By being on a cycle. So many numerous studies have found out that you can build muscle on steroids without even working out. Okay, all they do is they have a very good balanced diet with high protein, and of course they are on roids, and of course they train as well. So these three are main important factors for them to look like that, not shred supplement. Why would they use fat burner when they have stuff like clenbuterol or trenbolone and all those other drugs? Okay, they don't need it. They concentrate more on whole foods than supplements, from what I've seen bodybuilders here. Okay, they do take supplements, but not as how they show it here. Okay, so one more athlete they have is a female athlete called Paige Hathaway. Of course guys, she has muscles in her body, but her glutes and her boobs are fake. If you see it, her boobs and glutes are fake. No offense to people who have fake boobs, but showing that shred supplement gives them all these results are bullshit. Now one more thing that caused controversy is that they had these 30-day challenges. Okay, so in the 30-day challenge, first of all, how can a person transform in 30 days? Even if you are on steroids, it's very hard to transform in 30 days. Okay, so these people, and she also photoshops her images, which is quite evident. They make this contest, and the registration fees is around $200, which comes around 13,000 Indian rupees. Okay, and they do reply to the messages of people who joined, but they won't reply more than once, and they choose the winners, right? So here is the fun part. So if 200 people registered, they make around $4,000, I guess, right? So they make $4,000 or whatever, they make thousands of dollars, and none of these people who join are actually shown as the winners. What they do is they go to random Instagram people, like random profiles on Instagram, and what they do is they ask them and they post their pictures on Shred's page telling that these are the winners, and they might pay them a little bit money. Okay, so all they made is lot of money, and these people who spent $200 on the contest got nothing other than just bull crap or loss of $200. And this fellow trains and he sells his programs for a quite good amount, and he charges $100 extra for getting his mobile number. And people who take his mobile number, the person who actually does all the texting and all the work is Kelly Willett. Okay, so that is the thing. I blame Kelly Willett as well for doing that thing, but she says that all the clients got results. Fine, I accept it, but scam is a scam, guys. You are cheating people. People call me I'm fat. Okay, people call me I'm fat. Fine, but at least I'm not scamming people, right? My goal is to spread the truth. I'm not scamming people. That is why. And one more thing, guys, I'll tell you one more thing. It might sound funny, but people who usually lie, right? People who usually lie make lot of money initially. Okay, they make lot of money initially, but in the long run, especially in the fitness industry, you will get caught. Okay, you will get caught. And using Adobe for even after taking steroids, why would someone use Adobe Photoshop? If you take steroids to get that look, and upon that you do Adobe Photoshop again. Ulysses World, Muscle Mania, natural athlete. He has removed his natural tag from his Instagram, but there is no way in this world that is natural. I don't care how hard you train, 500 grams of protein, whatever, you will not get there naturally. So Ulysses doesn't actually promote shreds a lot, but there are rare pictures of him promoting shreds as well, and he has written that he is a shreds athlete, and taking shreds supplement won't make you look like Ulysses. So what can we learn from this scam? And after that, Arvind Lal, who is the CEO of Shreds, made a video saying that their goal is to inspire people, motivate people, but he didn't say that his goal is also to make money out of, or steal money from people. I don't mind him selling supplements, but scamming people, come on. And there is no way that he didn't know that all these things were happening, because if my friend is working with me and he does something, he will tell what is happening, and I will see what is happening, right? And if I still support that, I'm being an asshole to the people, right? So that is what, guys, and this is like not good. But now let us put all those things aside. What I want to actually share with you guys is the message that you guys should take out from all this scam, or this scam and anything that happens in the fitness industry. These people are not the only ones photoshopping their pictures. Okay, there are so many people. Jeff Side, who has like millions of fans in India, especially. I forgot his name, guys. He's Ziz's brother. Cheshbra, I think his name is Cheshbra, something. Okay, even he photoshopped. Okay, so these people were caught again and again, but still consumers of these people who are on social media, fitness enthusiasts, are stupid in my opinion. You guys should take the blame as well for supporting all these scams. I am pretty sure if these people did this as a publicity stunt, they will still get a lot of people buying their supplements. What message I want to give you all through this video is, just don't blindly follow anyone, guys. Okay, if somebody sits on a table and with a supplement bottle and he shows that I am endorsed by this and I got all my results with this, just think about his history. Think about his physique. Is it actually possible naturally? If no, there is no way in this world why you should buy that supplement from him. Or if they have really put in some work into the supplements, like for example pre-workouts, if they don't have proprietary blends, then it means that the brand is good. I already made a video on signs of a good supplement brand. You can check it out right here. If you don't have proprietary blend, if you have research backed substances, now for example citrulline malate, there are so many brands with pre-workouts adding 2 grams of citrulline, which is not enough. But there are brands which add 8 grams of citrulline. At least they are trying to put in research backed supplements, right? So that is the thing, guys. Supplements just give you only so much, like literally only so much, guys, like so much. Okay, trust me, guys, trust me on this, because I have used all the supplements from whey protein to BCAAs to glutamine to fat burners to what else, pre-workouts to what else, carnitine to arginine, to all these supplements in my 4 years of weight training. If they were so good, I would have looked a lot better. I would have stayed lean year round. Lean, right? Just think about it, guys. Just think about it. Don't be in this delusional world. Okay? The supplements brands are just trying to sell you stuff. Sit at home, make money. Okay? The only thing difficult about supplement brand is getting your company registered, because this is in the food department, right? So it is kind of difficult to get your license and stuff, but once you get that, making money is very easy. So my message or my request to all of you guys, all of you fitness enthusiasts, is that I'm not saying everyone in this fitness industry is bad. There are a lot of good people. There are a lot of good people that really put in time to do research and find out what's good for your body. If they really want to help people or really want to motivate people, they would do something good, not putting a picture of his breakfast and writing some motivational quotes. That is why my goal, guys. I want to be different. I want to not just follow the group of people who are making videos, reviewing supplements, or talking about generic topics. No, I want to make something which people don't know. Most of you guys don't know. Okay, so that is the goal. So don't get fooled. Don't be stupid. And if you repeatedly get fooled by these brands, then which means you are stupid. So I'm not saying supplements don't work, but 99% of the supplements don't work, guys. I will not make supplement reviews on my channel. Please don't ask me to make supplement reviews, because unless I use a supplement, I can't tell if it's good or not. I can't just go to a shop and buy a supplement, 1 kg or 300 gram supplement, and review it. It is good, it's great. If I make videos on supplements, it will be on ingredients. Now for example, pre-workout, I will make videos on beta-alanine, I will make videos on citrulline. So that is what I am going to do, but I will not make supplement reviews. I am really sorry. If some supplement company likes to sponsor me, fine. The only way that I will be with that company is we have a similar mind. If that company comes out with supplements like glutamine for recovery, BCAAs, fine, fat burners, all these things, I don't think I'll be associated with that company. I'm saying straight on. I would rather be not endorsed by any supplement brands and do something different. Okay, so that is it, guys. Everyone on YouTube has made a video, so I thought it is, and people have requested me to make this video as well. So I thought I'll make this video and let you guys know that this industry, it is hard to find good people. I have come across a lot of people who are in this industry, and 1 or 2 people have been really honest. Rest of them are just searching for a quick buck. Okay, making money. That is I'm not saying don't make money. Even I am making money through fitness, but proudly I can say that I have not scammed anyone, and I will never do that. Okay, unethical behavior, this is not acceptable, guys. So that is the reason I made this video. It's not like I'm pinpointing Shreds. I'm talking about many supplement brands. There is an Indian brand, I won't take name, you guys will be already knowing. I can see a lot of hate comments on them. And one more thing is, if 10 to 20 people hate on you, it's fine. They might be just hating on you. But if hundreds and thousands of people are hating or telling the same thing, it means that you're wrong. Okay, so think about it, guys, think about it. And that is all. I'm sorry that I'm being a little bit hyper over here, but that is it, guys. Truth is the truth. You can't shy away from that. And even Arvind Lal, being an Indian, you might have had a lot of fans in India as well, and even you lift. Okay, so you're not done a good thing, and I hope that your brand doesn't go well. Really, man, I really think your brand shouldn't go well. Okay, because you cheated people, not like few people, lot of people. Not only spreading wrong things, but also robbing them of a lot of money. If not you, your athletes do that. And you are told that you have put out Devin Physique from your brand. I don't think so. You might have paid him off, like you might have had some payout clause, and you might have paid him some $1 million and sent him away. Okay, so this is it, guys. That is my video. Hope you all understood what I wanted to say, or what I meant through this video. And just be careful, guys. In this world, in 2016, we have a lot of technology. If you have seen pictures of Jay Cutler in 2000, yesterday Louis Marco posted a video of Jay Cutler posing. You can see that it looked real. These days, if you see the pictures of bodybuilders, it looks that they have added some touch-ups. Okay, so that is the difference, guys. Technology has taken over. It's fine, but at the end of the day, you guys have a choice, right? You guys have a choice. They might put pictures, they might put videos, but you should be thinking critically and come out and decide for yourself. I will never make supplement videos. I'm really sorry. My goal is to talk more about nutrition and training. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you all got something from this video. If it was informative, do leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends, especially your Indian friends. And if you can't understand my English, I will try to add subtitles as well. Check out the captions. And yeah, that is it, guys. Peace.